How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you guys can delete your Facebook account permanently. So let's get started. But before starting, make sure that you guys are connected with your internet. The process is kind of same for both iOS devices and Android. So let's get into it. For this, what you guys need to do is just open your Facebook account, and once you are done, just click on the three lines on top right corner over here, then scroll down all the way to settings and privacy, and then again tap on the setting that is mentioned on the top. Okay, now scroll a little bit down and click on access and control. And now you guys have to click on the second option, that is deactivation and deletion. Okay, once you are done, you guys can see there are two options available here. First one is deactivate account. This is a temporary process, and the second one is delete account permanently. So click on it and then tap on continue to account deletion. Okay, now they are telling you that once you have deleted your account, then all your pages will also be deleted. Now click on continue. Okay, now they're asking you the reason that why you guys want to delete your account. That might be I spent too much time on Facebook, I have a privacy concern, I don't feel safe on Facebook, or whatever reason you guys have. Like I'm gonna click on I spent too much time on Facebook here. Okay, now tap and continue to account deletion. Okay, once you guys are on this page, there are multiple options here, like they're asking you that either you also want to delete your messenger, deactivate your messenger or not. If you guys want, then click on this deactivate option, and you guys can also save the post in your Facebook account. That might be pictures, videos, or whatever you guys posted in your Facebook account. You have or you can save those posts. And then third option is you guys can also download your information and then transfer your information and review apps you have logged into. Now after completing all those process, if you guys want, then click on this blue button over here which says delete account. Okay, now you have to enter your Facebook account password here and then click on continue. After clicking on this continue, you guys will be on the page where the blue button will arrive again, which will say that delete the account, and click on that and boom, your account will be deleted. So that's all for today. This was so simple and easy. Make sure to like and subscribe my video, and thanks for watching.